Hello students, today I am teaching to you the subject of mathematics class 7 students. Mathematics class 7 student. Today I will start exercise 5C. This exercise is based on scientific notation. Scientific notation means there is a way to represent a number, a large number. Most appropriately we can say that by using scientific notation method we can represent a large number as like, suppose that we have 94600000000 and so on, suppose that's kilometer. So if you write again and again this large number 2 or 3 times or many times, you have most probably face some problem or makes any mistake in writing this large number. So to avoid this problem or to overcome this type of mistakes, we use another method which is called scientific notation, and it is very useful for expressing the large number in a very convenient manner. So how can we represent a large number in scientific notation? First of all, we have to learn here that the scientific notation, a number is written as a product of any number written as a product of two factors, Product of two factors means, suppose that this is the large number and we have to represent this number in scientific notation, which is a product of two factors. First of all, count how many numbers are here given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 numbers are given here. 13 up to 13 places. So product of two factors means the first product is a number from or a number between 1 to 10. The first factor has the value between 1 to 10 and the second factor is a power of 10, means as like 10 raised to the power 1 or 10 raised to the power 2, or we can say 10 raised to the power 3 and so on. And any number, the first factor represents any number lie between 1 to 10, any digit. For example, if you want to represent this number in scientific notation, how can we write this number in two factors of its products? So first of all, count these digits how many digits are present in this number? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So start from counting from right to left, and we have 13 digits. So leave the one digit, and you have one factor is the number which lie between 1 to 10, as like suppose that if you leave one digit, so 9.4, we will get 9.4. Another number is 6, multiply with second factor is how many digits? 12. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. If you leave one digit, you have 12 digits left in this series. So we can write 10 raised to the power 12. 10 raised to the power 12. So this is called first factor, and this is called second factor. And already I said first factor value lies between 1 to 10, so 9.46 is lie 1 to 10, and second factor is written as a power of base 10, so base 10 and its power is 12. This expression is called the scientific notation, and it is very useful way to express a large number in science and mathematics, because many distances or the distance between two heavenly objects there is in large number, and if you write these numbers many times, so you can make any mistake regarding this. So to avoid these problems, we will use scientific notation for representing these type of numbers. So go to the exercise question. The first question is the number written in scientific notation? Is the number, means the given number is written here, is it in scientific notation or not? Give your answer yes or no. Is scientific notation is the number written in scientific notation? Write yes or no for it. So first number is 24 multiply base raised to the power 7. So to check whether this number is written in scientific notation or not, let us consider first part, means first factor, and this is second factor. First factor value always lie between 1 to 10. So 24 is not lie in between 1 to 10, and second factor always write as the base 10 and its power. So second factor is correct, but first factor is wrong here. So this number is not written in scientific notation form. So your reply will be No, this is not a scientific notation. This is not a scientific notation. Why? Because the first factor is not lie in between 1 to 10 digit. 1 to 10 any number. So this is not a scientific notation expression. Another is second part, second part, 7 multiply 10 raised to the power 4. 7 multiply 10 raised to the power 4. Now let us see first factor. This is second factor. First factor 7. Is it lie in between 1 to 10? Yes, because 7 always lie in between 1 to 10 any number, and the second factor is written base 10 and its power 4. So our answer will be yes. This is a correct scientific notation form. Next is 8.9 into 10 5 raised to the power. So let us first of all consider first part. First part is 8.9, so this is lie in between 1 to 10, but the second part we see here the base is 5 and this is not followed in case of scientific notation. In case of scientific notation, always here we will use base as a 10. So this is not the correct scientific notation. Next one is 0.3 into 10 raised to the power 6. 0.3 first part, 10 raised to the power 6, this is second factor. First factor is not lie in between 1 to 10, so this, because of this is correct. Second factor is this, because base is 10 and its power any number, this will be correct. But first factor is not lie in between 1 to 10 any number, that's why this will also be not a scientific notation. Second question is complete this form. Complete. First is 5 4 0 0 0 0 equal to 5.4 into base 10 and how many its power. This is the fill in the blanks which is filled by us. So write this number in scientific notation. Count from the left side how many digits are placed here. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and so if you write this number 5.4 into 10 raised to the power 7, always place decimal point just before end of the last digit. So here we will place decimal point, and from the decimal point we will count how many digits are written here. So here are 7 digits written, so we can write base raised to the power 7. So base raised to the power 7 is the correct answer for this question. Second question is 980 0 0 0 0 equal to 9.8 into base 10 power what? Count this number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, means we can write 9.8 this and base raised to the power 11. So here we will put 11 as our answer. 11 is your answer, and hence in this way you can also solve second question, third and seconds question 4 in scientific notation as your homework. Okay, next question is question number 3. Write in scientific notation. Write in scientific notation. Write in scientific notation. So first number is 72,000. How can we write this number in scientific notation? Scientific, here we write scientific notation. Scientific notation. So write this number in scientific notation. Start from counting the digits from left side. 1 2 3 4 digits, then large digits is remaining here, so we can write 7.2 into 10 raised to the power 4. This is the correct scientific notation. Scientific notation form. Correct scientific notation form. Next is question number second. 8 triple zero. How can you write this number in scientific notation form? Count from this 3 and 3. Leave the large digit, and after leaving it, count how many digits are written here. So there are 6 digits, so we can write 8.0 into 10 raised to the power 6 as it scientific notation. In this way, question number 3 is 790 triple zero. So we can write 3 3 6 7 8. So we can write 7.9 into 10 raised to the power 8. This is the correct scientific notation, and so on. You can write all the remaining questions of question 3 of the exercise 5.c as your homework. In next class I will start with the new topic. Thank you.